Yeah, today is Saturday, the 12th of November. Got down about 30 degrees last night. Pretty dang brisk. Here in northeast Texas. We don't get, really super cold weather in the wintertime, with very, very few exceptions. It's a 20-year event when we do, like we did a couple years ago when Texas froze. So it'll warm back up next week in the low 60s. Anyway, these are some aluminum ramps I bought. Amazon. Build quality is pretty nice. I got a very specific use for these things. I want to store my little Yanmar tractor in that shipping container down by my little building. I need a ramp to get into it. I've also got a 10-foot trailer I bought without ramps, and these will clip on to that 10-foot trailer too, in case I want to move something with it. It's got the flat treads on it, and that kind of enters into my plan too. I've also got a 16-foot cargo trailer with cargo doors on it, not a ramp door. And I was thinking about putting a winch inside that trailer. That'll be done here soon, like real soon. And then I can just winch stuff into that trailer using these ramps as well. And if I'm hauling freight in that cargo trailer, the ramp door gets in the way of a fork truck, which is why I bought the thing with cargo doors to begin with. So, gives me more options for that cargo trailer than simply freight. So on these ramps, like I said, Amazon. Go over here to my computer. They are Hakesa 80-inch by 15-inch by 2.3-inch, 6,000 pound capacity. That's per pair, not each. And then surprisingly, that little Yanmar tractor, I believe, weighs about 3,400 pounds. It's a whole lot heavier than it looks like. So that's why I went with the 6,000 pound capacity. Here's the living room. Kitty's running around somewhere. So I have a plan. Oh, the price on these ramps was $355.60. No shipping. That includes sales tax. So, not a terrible price point, you ask me. And I know real fast they're going to work. First thing I'm going to load is that Yanmar tractor into that container, and we'll see if they handle that much weight. I'm not going to the little building today, not going to the farm today. I might take these ramps up to the little building and drop them off, but I'm not going to do much anything in there. Pretty sore from all the hard work I've been doing the last 3 days. 4 days actually. Yeah, 4 days. And my body's talking to me, so I'm going to have to rest a bit. As you can hear, it's noon time. That's the grandfather clock chiming. So, like I said, I might take those ramps up there to the little building. Need to sharpen my pocket knife. And I might just hang around the house and take it easy for a day. And tomorrow I'll go up and get my big bottle set, bring down here. See how that works out. I can wait and take the ramps to the little building tomorrow and then go up to the farm from there. That could be a good plan. So, that's how my Saturday's going to be. I'm just going to rest and recover and take it easy for a day and sharpen my pocket knife. So, that's about all for this one. Thank you.